MegaETH set its mainnet stress test for January 22nd. Strategy continues stacking Bitcoin. The market tumbles amid Greenland tensions. And ONDO and LayerZero brace for $800 million in supply shock. This is Ledger Prime. Let's dig in. Our top story today, and one that's got the entire tech world buzzing, is the imminent mainnet launch of MegaETH. This is the real-time Layer 2 solution that many are calling the next big leap for Ethereum scalability. MegaETH has officially announced its mainnet will go live this Thursday, January 22nd, kicking off with an ambitious 7-day global stress test. They are aiming to process an astonishing 11 billion transactions, with speeds projected to hit between 15,000 and 35,000 transactions per second. That is completely unheard of for a decentralized network. With backing from none other than Vitalik Buterin himself, MegaETH is positioning itself to be the first L2 capable of truly handling consumer scale applications at sub-millisecond speeds. If they pull this off, it could fundamentally change how we interact with decentralized applications, opening the floodgates for mass adoption. This is definitely one to watch, guys. So, shifting gears from future tech to present-day institutional power plays, we have Michael Saylor's strategy. Yes, he's back in the news, and formerly MicroStrategy, buying more Bitcoin, because the company announced today that it has acquired an additional 22,305 Bitcoin. This massive purchase cost them approximately $2.1 billion, marking their largest single acquisition in over a year. So while everybody thought the buying was over and they were stacking cash and everything was about to implode, boom, he drops another cool $2.1 billion on more Bitcoin. This brings their total corporate treasury holdings to an incredible 709,715 Bitcoin. It is a bold move that clearly signals unwavering long-term confidence from Saylor and his team, even as the broader market experiences turbulence. Interestingly though, despite this mega-scale buy, MicroStrategy shares dipped 5% in pre-market trading, reflecting the broader market's cautious sentiment. It shows that while institutional conviction is high, macroeconomic factors are currently taking the lead. And that cautious sentiment brings us to our third headline, which is impacting nearly every corner of the crypto market today. The total crypto market cap fell by a significant 3%, with Bitcoin dipping towards the 91,000 mark. And the primary driver behind this risk-off move? Geopolitical uncertainty. Reports are linking the market sell-off to renewed tensions following President Trump's recent proposals regarding Greenland and the potential for new tariffs on European nations. This kind of macro-level instability often pushes investors away from riskier assets like cryptocurrencies and into traditional safe havens like gold and silver. We saw spot Bitcoin ETFs experience a combined outflow of nearly $400 million, indicating a clear shift in investor behavior. It's a reminder, guys, that crypto, while a distinct asset class, is not immune to global, political, and economic forces. So guys, finally, let's talk about ONDO, LayerZero, and what many are calling the Great Dilution. This is a high-stakes week for the Wall Street on-chain narrative, guys. ONDO Finance just triggered its massive annual cliff unlock on January 18th, flooding the market with 1.94 billion tokens, a staggering 57% increase in circulating supply. And while the real-world asset leader is fresh off a regulatory win with the SEC closing its investigation, the sheer weight of $770 million in new liquidity is testing investor diamond hands. Meanwhile, LayerZero, ticker ZRO, joins the fray today, January 20th, unlocking 25.7 million tokens at $44 million. Despite the supply pressure, the two are tightening their bond. The new ONDO bridge, powered by LayerZero, is now live, allowing 100 plus token stocks like Tesla, Apple to move seamlessly between Ethereum and BNB chain. So the bottom line, guys, we are seeing a battle between supply versus utility. Short-term volatility is guaranteed, but the infrastructure for a multi-chain, real-world asset future has never looked stronger. And guys, that wraps it up for today. From the cutting-edge promise of MegaETH to the strategic plays of institutional giants and the ever-present influence of global politics, it is clear the crypto world is never dull. So keep an eye on those MegaETH developments this week, and we'll be back tomorrow to break down the latest.